Welcome back to the Lottery Detective. We are going to be working with our natural elements today from April the 1st through the 7th, 2016. We have a bad storm outside, so I'm going to rush through this. First of all, these, the 1st through the 7th, these are our natural element numbers. As you know, we have a quick pick, 3-day quick picks, starting from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then we have some for Monday. Well, 4-day quick pick at least. Also, here, we're going to do some number association using crossover numbers. And this is what I'm going to um, just make a quick analysis for you to do with these few numbers, but you also can find a lot of these numbers on other videos, which all the videos are referenced. Now, let's do this. The 384, it would take us to the 1, the 6, and the 2 family, or the 126 family in order. Here, now we can go back here and we can find on the 4th, the 126, whichever order, and your 617 716 here on the 6. Okay, it's associated those these numbers and this family is associated with the 389. Here's another example, 711. This is a part of this family. It's associated with the 834, which is here, and your 339 for in uh, 488, which has been falling. I don't think it's listed in our natural elements, but has been falling this week. Now let's try the 539, which I have a asterisk that can be possibly a pretty good number for the first week, first few days. We have the 206 652 157 here, here, okay? And of course we have your main number. Your 485 is a part of this family also, but it takes you in another direction, a connection with the 867, 718, and 362 family. And I have the 817 here, and we have 317 here. This is a part, they are part of this family group. Now the 153 will take you back to the 412, which has been following very well in March. 264 917 family, and we have the 624 here. So in essence, when I put up these numbers, they come from a natural source, but yet they seem to connect with one another quite well. I'm always amazed that some of the numbers I see, sometimes I think they will not fall, but they do. So they are well connected, and that is my point. So remember, if you see any of them in your workout, even the family members, you may want to come back to your natural elements and jot down the mate to it or the number. And that's another thing. Let's not forget, they are bringing back family members one day to the next. The same number repeats. So don't forget your family members when you are doing your workout. You may want to go back and consider if the 539 falls. They may come back the next day with the 485, which are two family members. So the connection is with one another. So they are actually trying to confuse all of us, to be honest. But we need to also consider our mates, because they are doing a lot of repeats and a lot of family members that they are allowing to come back one day after the next. And you need to be mindful of that. So that's all I have. It's storming, so I'm going to say if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching.